Miss Maddie is all ready for bed. Say good night. Say love you. All right. So I'm currently working on dinner. This is just chili, and I ran out of rice, so we're gonna have it with, where's the bag? I put it in the trash. So this is just noodle, and my mother-in-law bought me a set of pots, these, because she got tired of looking at my old pot, but I'd rather cook out of my old pot than my new pots. So it's just habit. It's just, I love this pot. I don't know why. It was given to me by my mother, and I've had it for years now. So yeah, the kiddos are upstairs. They already did their homework. I uploaded the lunch video, and Jackson is watching some documentary, something about wolf. Yeah, that's just Jackson. He just loves anything that, hey, didn't I tell you not to touch anything? And Maddie's just eating. No, sit. I have to wipe her hands. Twins were working on their book report that they have due. Huh? May I get some here? No, dinner's about to be ready soon.
We are family.
And this is where the other kiddos are.
Let's see. Oh, sorry.
I'm coming, Maddie.
Sorry, guys.
They're working on
Your camera got blocked by the shirt.
They're working on. I'm coming. They're working on laundry. Who's Jordan? Who's Jason?
Nobody follows me.
You see, she doesn't want anything. You guys realize she doesn't want anything? I'm here. What's up? But I'm here. What do you need? I'm here. What do you need? I went upstairs to check on the older kids to make sure they were doing what they're supposed to do.
Kiddos?
No, I meant kids.
No kiddos.
Okay, Jackson. Kiddos. I went to check on the older kiddos. Does that make you feel better? Okay. Maddie? Okay, alright. But I like when it rains and I'm home in the sound. I'm thinking of baking some cookies if I feel up to it. It's 5:30, but it's already darker outside. And I'm not even finished with dinner yet. And the kids are still working on homework, but they're also doing chores, so they're back and forth. So I first have to finish that load of laundry that they left upstairs. And they do have chores. Jordan asked me today, he was like, who invented chores? I was like, parents who wants to teach their children responsibility. And I do give my children chores, and it's not a no, it's big things, because it helps them to realize that when you get older, you need to take care of your clothes, you need to take care of your dishes, you need to take care of your environment, whether or not you're married or single or in between, whatever. You need to take care of your environment, because there's nothing gross than a young adult that doesn't know how to take care of their environment or themselves. So I'm gonna go finish that, and then I will catch up back with y'all later. Maddie stay helping herself to snack out of the refrigerator. Maddie.
Wait, what is she?
She's eating a what is that? What are you eating?
This is what Brian does.
What are you eating?
What the heck? Why are you standing there? We're finally done. I did that.
Finally.
This is weird. You know. Take forever. Look at it. Wait, this is his chin. Do this. This is how you get air, people. Look. Air. Getting air.
Why are they saying rock, paper, scissors? What?
Girl, why are you so ashy?
I'm not ashy.
Look at your knees.
Rock, paper. This is how you get the ashy.
Same as
They're in a different place. Ha ha. Look at his dad. His dad
I can't stand this stupid show.
I know, right? His dad. And dad has no sense. The chin goes down. Like, ah. The chin goes down, right? Yeah, it just goes, what the heck? They knew. Oh! Enderman! So you gotta like.
Did they use the leftovers?
The reason why they say rock, paper, scissors. This is a show. Rock, paper, scissors. Because they're in a different. I'm hungry.
Ryan told you to make
Look at how you do a spin. Okay, people out there, if you can't walk, you have to use these. It's very simple. So much toys. So you just get on, and then you just lean forward.
You want to go for it?
Lean backwards. And then you put one weight on the other, and you can spin, and then you can walk. So if you don't like walking, use one of these. And if you can't walk, use one of these. My professional ad by me.
You don't got an ad.
Yes, I do.
You even got a channel.
Yes, I do.
What is this weird stuff?
Why are you standing around, Jordan?
Googly eyes. Googly eyes.
Why are you not sitting?
Guys.
Sometimes.
That's the
Oh,
problem with
alright.
him in the morning.
So dinner is almost done. I added the noodle.
Is that like
And-
sausages or something?
It's just,
Hot dog?
and then we have some biscuits going here to go with the thing. I probably should turn it off because they're burning, right?
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love.
Put the milk back in the fridge for me, please. So these are all done. I'm getting ready to share the kids' meal, and so yeah. So we have Madison, we have Destiny, we got Jason, got Mom. Destiny, could you put this in the trash for me, please? This too. Thank you. We got Jordan. Did I say Jordan? We have Jackson and another. No, we don't need another kid. And Daddy. Destiny, can you please get forks out, please? Utensils.
Like put it on the table or just out?
No, just out. Dinner time.
I keep on having these, Mommy.
Huh?
I keep on having these. Look. One under my neck. And
I'm that first.
Whenever it's time to eat, you always have some random illness.
I'll go last one. I'm first. I'll go first.
Okay, line up. Just line up.
I'm first.
Okay.
I'm first right here, so.
Okay, Miss Maddie. I need hers to cool. Yes, baby.
Kevin's in the world. No! Yeah.
This is Maddie's. Thank you.
Yes.
You can give her a biscuit, half of a biscuit actually, because I don't think she's gonna eat it.
Okay. I'm sitting in the red chair. I'm sure.
Okay.
Chair. I'm saying the fart chair.
The what?
Take this and go to Destiny. She'll give you a biscuit.
Thank you.
Destiny, get a biscuit.
I'm getting.
Yeah.
Destiny, get a biscuit.
Do you pray and then eat too hot? Of course.
Yes.
Ow!
Why do you need to ask that question if you already know it?
You need to pray and then eat. And then.
Get a biscuit.
Jaxson actually pray.
Mommy, here's a half biscuit from Maddie. And then I look.
Say your grace. There's no need to argue. I need a bowl. Dinner is served. Well, I gotta get my biscuit. But yeah, this is what's for dinner tonight. The kiddos are eating in the kitchen because my table is already set for Christmas.
Hi.
So, say hi.
Hi.
This is why
Let me know if
your
it's.
table. If you get a new
You guys turn on the light. Can you guys see? If you can see, it's fine by me, but turn on the light. Maddie, you finished with this, baby? You finished? Can I take it? No? Okay.
So I can turn off that light, Mommy?
Guys,
No. That's fine.
we have very bright light.
We do have very bright light. Enjoy your meal, okay? Let me know if it's good.
Mommy.
Sorry, good.
Mommy.
Hmm?
We eat this.
Alright, finish your dinner. I'm about to have some hot chocolate because everybody's hanging out. It's kind of chilly. It's raining. You want hot cocoa too?
Yeah,
With marshmallows?
What kind are there?
I have marshmallow here, buddy. You can put that back. Yes, honey? Is she? That's my daughter. I already have your hot chocolate.
You have your hot chocolate?
No, I'm having this one. This is yours. I bought these for you guys. Yeah, this is milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate.
So I think I'm gonna do yours first, but I don't think your cup fit. Ooh, it fits. Oh, look. Little minion guy. It's preheating. Alright. Alright, let's put some. Alright, so it's hot cocoa, 6 ounce, because you're a little guy. Let's go. Gotta wait, Papa.
I like the coffee maker. I like the coffee maker.
Jason with his heavy foot. It's hot, okay, Papa?
Okay.
Very hot. Every time I make him hot drink, I have to remind him.
For me. Oh, I want some.
You want marshmallow?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put some. How many you want?
Are you making hot cocoa for me?
You got
Like
1 spoon?
hot cocoa? Making hot cocoa, let me
Careful, okay? You gotta make your own. You're a big girl.
Okay.
I'm gonna use.
No, that's it. Not for
Just-
there. You gotta use these.
Sorry, Jordan. Where? I know. I know. Where?
I just want the hot water. There's no anything in there.
Can you give me that pumpkin spice one?
No, you can't have my pumpkin spice mug. The heck?
Pass me the
None of the ones on top you can't have. Those are my special mugs.
That's why you should get your own.
When you left me chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
You say? Did you say something, Rob? Oh. Give me my sparkling ice. Gotta have my sparkling ice. Ah! Maddie! You better be in your room. Hey, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Thank you very much. You just go ahead and get ready for bed. Need to change Miss Madison for bed. It's raining. Miss Maddie is all ready for bed. Say good night.
Bye.
Say love you.
Love you.
All right. Daddy turned the light on. Oh man. Come on. Say good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night, Jojo. Anyways, that's what a typical night is around here. Just us hanging out, dinner, and the kids go to bed. And Miss Maddie is messing on my phone. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Say bye. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.